inspiration for this video came from my mate and fellow YouTuber Kevin Ashton. When I saw his video, black pudding stuffed chicken, I thought that's two flavours that really do go together. My version is quite different. For a start off, it's cooked on a barbecue. It's bacon wrapped to keep the chicken breast nice and moist. I haven't tasted Kevin's version, but I can tell you the taste of this one is amazing. It's a little bit chilly outside, so I'm prepping in the kitchen. I have two lovely chicken breast fillets, 4 slices of black pudding and a bunch of dill. Oh, I forgot to put the tub of double cream and the bacon on the plate. Oh well, I'll just replace the plate with the cutting board. Take one of the chicken breast fillets and make the first cut. And then with a small knife keep cutting away to make a pocket for the stuffing. Be careful not to cut all the way through. Make sure the pocket is large enough for a generous portion of stuffing. Now for the stuffing. In a small bowl, roughly crumble 4 slices of black pudding. I'm looking for texture here. So when I say roughly crumble, I mean roughly crumble. Fold in a generous spoonful of double cream. Be careful not to break up the texture too much. More cream? I shouldn't do this, but I have washed my hands and I'm the one who's going to be eating it. For a hint of herby flavour, a few fonds of dill. And a little more cream. To stuff the chicken, be generous, pushing the stuffing all the way into the pocket. This will be the burst of flavour when it gets into your mouth. Now lay the streaky bacon on the cutting board, about 6 rashers, and wrap the bacon over the chicken, stretching as we go. Finally, the last one at an angle to cover the chicken. With the 2 chicken breasts stuffed, wrap them tightly in cling film, twisting each end to secure. And put them in the fridge to firm up. The weather forecast is good, the Weber Q's nice and hot, and I've got some baby potatoes to go on. And I just want to get some colour on them. I've got the chicken from the fridge. I'll just unwrap it. Look at those beauties. They're going to taste absolutely delicious. The potatoes are coming off the grill and are going into a Weber drip tray. As you can see, they're just starting to get a little colour on them. Turn off the small burner. I'm using a heat shield and grid to cook the chicken. On goes the chicken, the warming rack is fitted, and on go the potatoes. Close the lid and they should all cook together. Cooking time is about 35 to 45 minutes at 200 to 250 degrees C. Or the internal temperature of the meat at its thickest part is 75 degrees C. So let's have a look. It needs to be at least 75 degrees C.
so it needs to cook a little bit more.
This is a sheet of Mediterranean barbecue butter, which has been in my freezer for a few weeks now, and it's going to melt over my potatoes. And that's what I call flavour. Yes, we're just a few minutes away from the taste of paradise. The chicken is now cooked. I'm serving on a board for that rustic look. Slice to reveal that delightful black pudding stuffing. Add the baby roast potatoes, smothered in Mediterranean barbecue butter. And that is the taste of paradise from a Weber Q.
If you've enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up. Sub my channel, just click that button. Activate and ding the bell and you'll be in the know. Well, that's all for this time. Join me next time on the Barbecue Walk of Flame and see what's cooking on my Weber Q. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.